We start our journey in the rolling green hills of Scotland, specifically the lands near Carnwath in Clydesdale. It was here that the roots of Clan Somerville were firmly planted. William de Somerville was granted these lands, marking the establishment of Clan Somerville in Scotland. The whispers of history can still be heard in the winds that blow across these ancient lands. From Carnwath, we journey east to Linton in Roxburghshire. The tale is told of how William de Somerville was rewarded with these lands after he performed a heroic feat in 1174, slaying a monstrous beast that plagued the area. Linton now stands as a testament to this act of bravery and the power of legend. Next, we move to the Grand Drum Castle. Constructed by John, the 13th Lord Somerville in 1765, this elegant edifice reflects the clan's history and contributions. Each stone of this castle holds a story, a piece of the rich tapestry that makes up Clan Somerville's history. Our journey then takes us to the vibrant city of Edinburgh. Clan Somerville has historical ties to this capital city. It is here that you can explore various historic sites, including the imposing Edinburgh Castle and the lively Royal Mile. Each corner of this city echoes with the footsteps of Clan Somerville's ancestors. We then delve into the religious side of Clan Somerville's history. The clan members served as witnesses to charters during the Reformation period. Explore sites connected to this era, such as St. Giles's Cathedral in Edinburgh, and visit religious houses and monasteries that bear witness to the clan's religious legacy. Our next stop takes us to the Scottish borders, a region steeped in history and lore. Clan Somerville had a significant role in the Battle of Sark in 1448, a key event in Scotland's turbulent history. The Scottish borders stands as a silent witness to the clan's bravery and involvement in this decisive battle. Lastly, we journey away from Scotland to the revered halls of Somerville College in Oxford. This institution bears the name of one of Clan Somerville's most accomplished descendants, Mary Somerville. Her remarkable contributions to mathematics and science have left an indelible mark on the academic world. In summary, these 7 places form a historical trail that traces the footsteps of Clan Somerville. From the verdant lands near Carnwath to the esteemed halls of Somerville College, each location offers a unique insight into the clan's rich history and illustrious lineage. So if you ever find yourself wondering about the historical places significant to Clan Somerville, remember this journey and the stories that each location holds.